Vajiva, 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 vava. Vajiva, 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 vava. Vajiva, 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 vava.
तो क्या करें? It seems like I'll have to make it myself. A homemade Zinger Burger. So as you can see, we've got the chicken here. It's a Thai pieces, and we've also cut them into halves. So basically you need a hammer, steak hammer, to hit it on top of, so get all the fatness flat. Unfortunately, I haven't got the steak hammer. So there's another way that you could do this, is put cling film on top of it. So basically this Thai piece is covered. And there's only one reason why we're doing that, is because we want to get all the fatness out and flatten it up. So get a hammer, tap it. So that's all we have to do. So as you can see the way it's just gone flat, and that's all we have to do. So same again, get the second one. So now what we'll do, we'll put little cut in between. So the main part now is that we're gonna make the marinations for the chicken. So the first thing that we need is a little bit of oil in there. Gonna add 1 teaspoon salt in there, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. So pour 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. And 1 cube garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and we're gonna add mustard paste. Well, it's mustard, you can get it from the shop. I'm using that one. So now this is ready for our marination. So now we're gonna put the Thai pieces in there. So all the masalas in there now. And now we can add lemon in there. Now we're gonna cover it up. So we're gonna marinate this for half an hour. So the chicken is marinated. We've left it for half an hour. So what we've got here is gram flour. We've got water in a bowl. Grab the chicken, put it in the maida, and we're gonna give it a good mix. You know the saying in nachor ka, daba ka, press it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip in the water. We're gonna leave in the water for like 3 to 4 seconds. We're going to let the water soak like that. Now we're going to put it back in there. Same again. Press it, keep pressing it down. You could do about 2 to 3 rounds of that. So repeat the same step for the others. Pick up. So as you can see, it's all ready. So now we're gonna fry it. So our oil is ready now. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the chicken pieces in there, the thigh pieces. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह चिकन हमारा जी तैयार हो गया है. It's got a nice orange gold color, which is what we want for the burger. So let's get our sauce ready. So first we're gonna add some mayonnaise. Now we're gonna add the garlic chili sauce. Now we're gonna add mustard paste. Our sauce is ready. So now our chicken is ready. The sauce is ready. I've just got the bun, which we're gonna use for the Zinger Burger. We'll get our sauce. Put salad on top of it. Chicken. Put some sauce on top of it. Put some more sauce. Now we're gonna add cheese on top of it. Now we're gonna put all the remaining sauce on there. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, our Zinger Burger is all ready. Thanks for watching this video, and do make sure you try it at home and let me know, drop it down in the comment below and let me know how you found this recipe. So inshallah we'll catch up with you guys in the next video. Take care.